Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm kind of surprised I'm filming this because legit I had no clue this was coming, but we are going to be unboxing my fall Fabfitfun box. So you guys want to see what I got in here. Is this box worth it? Well then definitely keep on watching. Okay, so I'm not gonna lie, I legit forgot about the fall Fabfitfun box. I think because I haven't seen anyone talk about it. I haven't seen any videos pop up, and when I accidentally got charged for the full year back in spring, I want to say, I had forgotten about the fall box. I think I got notified like 2-3 months ago to pick out my items, and then poof, disappeared from my mind. So last night when I went to go walk my dogs, like right before I went to bed, like around 11:30, opened my door and literally tripped over this box. Tripped right over it, and I was like, what the heck? And then I was like, oh my god, it's Fabfitfun and it's for the fall. And I was like, well shit, it's September 1st, so what a perfect time to come in. I really do like Fabfitfun's fall and winter box. Those tend to be more of my favorite because they tend to be like really cozy and warm, and just I went to grab the string and there's nothing here, but yeah, I tend to really like their box, so I hope we have some good ones in here. It's pretty heavy. I don't know what we're gonna get. I don't remember any spoilers, so we're going to unbox this together. Okay, so as always, Fabfitfun likes to throw in a I want to say like a magazine. I typically never look at this. I only look to see what the items are that I'm getting and like what they're retailed at, and that's the only thing I care to look at. Everything else I'm like, recycle. So I legit have no idea what we're getting in here, but what's really cool is that they actually have some like food stuff in here. What? You can like, there's like recipes for food. This is really cool. Oh god, and they have so much skincare stuff in here too. But that's really cool. Like I said, they always like throw in like a magazine of some sort so you can see what you're getting. And they always advertise like a all-exclusive trip. Has anyone ever won one of these? Like, I have never seen anyone ever win one of these, and if they have, I really want to know, what'd you win? Alrighty, so one of the first things we see, one of the first things that's in here is this after dinner food and drink trivia. What the heck is this? Let's go in my handy dandy Blue's Clues book. Okay, Fabfitfun is throwing me off. I'm like, where is the information where you can see all the products that you got? And now it's just saying that they changed it so we can scan this little barcode right here to see what's in our box. And they're doing more customization. So I did like it whenever Fabfitfun picked stuff out for you, because I always thought that was so fun. But now they're pretty much, I think, making it so that we pick out stuff for ourselves. So I'm going to open this up. Oh my god, it wants me to download a freaking app. Why? I don't want to download an app. Okay, guys, so we are going to look at what I got. I refuse to download the app because I don't want the app. So we're going to look at my box, and my box value is at $538. The fuck? Okay, so the first item we see is this Talking Tables Trivia box, food and drinks. So a selection of the finest trivia for foodies. These cards can be widely recycled. Okay, that's nice. I can't click on the actual item. Like, it's not letting me. Oh, it says view item. Let's see this view item. Think you know food? Put your food knowledge to the test after dinner with this fun trivia game. 120 trivia questions, contains a selection of the finest food and drink related questions. Well, let's put my noggin to the test. Bailey Syrian reference. Okay. Question 1. Which state is the #1 dairy producer in the U.S.? It's California, generating around 1/5 of all U.S. milk. Listen, I am lactose intolerant. How the hell would I ever know that? Okay, which Japanese dish primarily consists of thinly sliced raw seafood served with dipping sauce? That's right, sushi! Sashimi! Oh, damn, I would fail at this. Let's try one more. Question number 3. What is the official nut of Alabama? What? Who would know that? Yeah, I would not know that either. It is pecan. Pecan is the official nut. One last question for the final bonus points. Pastada is pureed in Pastada is pureed what? What's passata? Pastada? What even is that? Huh? Tomatoes? What the hell is pastada? Y'all... What is this? Oh, wow. I feel like this would be a really fun game if you're drunk. I think sober, I don't know how much fun that'd be, but I think if you're drunk, I think that'd be a lot of fun. I would fail horribly at that because your girl is not that intelligent when it comes to food stuff. I enjoy to eat it, but into the knowledge behind it, count me out. This retail for $25. All right, the next one we have is Arfos. What are we? Oh, this is so cute. It's a candle. It's a candle. So this is the copper candle. This is the Moroccan spice that retails for $40. Kind of expensive for a candle. Not going to lie. Especially since your girl goes to Walmart and gets the mainstay candles for $3.33 for the small one, and then the big one is like $4 and I think 33 cents or 50 cents, and that's where I get my candles. Mainstay Walmart. The best ones, if you guys ever want to know, the ones I'm always burning in my home is the mulled cider and pumpkin spice. Do not go and clear out the shelves, okay? Because I've already beat you to it. Okay, so this is the Moroccan spice. Wow, for $40, there's literally nothing to label this, but it smells good. It smells like a fall. It smells like a fall candle, which if anyone knows me, knows how much I love fall candles. So it says crafting the finest essential oils in soy blend wax. This candle is complemented by the copper metal holder. Smells like Moroccan spice market. Smells like the Moroccan spice market filled with cinnamon, nutmeg, clove, all layered with brown sugar vanilla. Scented notes, top orange, middle is pumpkin, nutmeg, cinnamon, brown sugar, and base is pumpkin, nutmeg, allspice, and vanilla. It has a 60-hour burn time, which is actually really nice. The only thing I wish it did have was a lid. I wish it came with a lid, but it doesn't. But that's really cool. I'll definitely have to try this out. I'll keep this on my desk so that whenever this burns out, I'll use this bad boy right here. Smells good though. I really do enjoy the smell. Alrighty, next we have the two bandits right here. You know what this reminds me of is the wet bandits from Home Alone. That's always what I think of when I think of bandit. I think of the wet bandits because he would sit there and turn on the water and flood the house, and that was their signature calling. So what is the wet bandits? No, but for real, what the heck is this? What is this? There's no way I picked this out for myself. What? Oh, I did. Okay, because it was a part. Oh, because you're only given so many things you can choose from. So this retails for $67. It says the Two Bandits tiered catch-tail tray, Cali Cosmetics Barista Cali Land of Italy bath gel, and Hip Products reusable lunch pack. This features a 3 felt-aligned tray, can be placed on your bedside table or bathroom countertop. It organizes your rings, necklace, bracelets, and a tiered organizer. Oh, that's pretty cool. That'd be smart. Put your rings, bracelets, earrings, and necklaces so they don't get so tangled. Oh, interesting. At first I was like, what in God's name is that? This is the pack that comes together. So this is supposed to go with it. This is the Islands of Italy. This is a bath gel. Ooh. Oh, bitch. Italy smells so good. Ooh, that smells divine. And what is a lunch pack? What is this? It's a little ugly lunch bag. Okay, I don't know how to make this work. How the hell do you clip this together? Or do I just go like this? I guess that's cool. I probably would never use that. Let's just be realistic. But it's cool. It's a great way to save on paper. That's nice, but that is very, very interesting. So next we do have the Fire Fray Bamboo Boot Socks 2-pack. It retails for $24, and it says whether you wear them long or scrunch them up, these socks offer a lot These socks offer tons of styling options. Two pairs of mid-weight boot socks include one pair of black socks and one pair of feather gray. Fit shoe sizes 5 through 10. Alrighty. Well, on the model, these look like men's socks. Did I just get men's socks? I feel like I'm about to blow up a balloon. Oh, how do you guys like my boot socks? I'm not going to lie. These are actually really comfy, and I feel like I'm about to do like a little, like Irish dancing for you. Ballerina. Do you guys like the model? The model. Point your toes. Point your toes. You know, I actually used to be able to stand on my toes a long time ago, and yeah, no, now I can't. Once I hit 30, my body started to betray me, so, you know. Not going to lie, these socks are actually really freaking comfortable. Truly, they really are. So next we have this right here, and this is, oh my God, what the? So this is a Camp Gladiator, and it says that this retail price is $197. That's the price of the membership for this entire box for the whole damn year. It says, hop, skip, jump your way to a solid sweat fest. Features foam handles, includes a mesh carrying bag, includes 3 months of free workouts for new Camp Gladiator members. You must redeem by March 31st of 2022. Oh, what? I get a membership in here? Okay, I'm definitely going to have to give this a go, especially since my wedding's coming up. Your girl got to get into some shape. So this is actually really exciting. I really do like jump rope. I feel like it's so much better than doing like your average cardio. Actually, what I really like to do is Peloton, but you know, got to save for that. But this is actually really cool. I really like the fact that this retails for $197. It comes with a 3-month membership and a jump rope, a mesh bag, and this freaking cost $197. And that's literally the price of the entire box, like all 4 boxes for the entire year. I think that's actually pretty cool. That's a really sick deal. Like, that's awesome. Okay, so next we have this Arharsh. This is a waffle blanket. Ooh, and it says that this retails for $60. Get warm and cozy with this waffle knit blanket, which is made of 100% cotton. It's 50 inches by 60 inches. It's 100% cotton and it's machine washable. So here is the blanket. It's a really pretty color. My God, though, it's not soft. Like, it is not soft at all. I actually have a blanket just like this, and the blanket that I have is the micro plush blankets that you can get at Target for $20 or $25 depending on the size that you have. I have one in purple, dark gray, and this exact color. You get them only at Target. You know what? Let me just show you. All right, so these are the ones that me and Corey like to get. These are the micro plush blankets that you can get at Target. Like I said, they retail anywhere between $20 to $25. If you get the king size, it should be around like $25. We get the king size just because we like to be like, I like to be like wrap this up and completely wrap myself up, and I'm just like, I wrap myself in a little blanket and I'm just like this the whole time, and I just love it so much. But legit, these blankets are so freaking soft. They're so comfy. When they wash, they still retain their softness. I love them so much, and they're only $25. So this one is so much more comfy than the 100% cotton one. Like, this is a really pretty color. It's really rough. I'd have to wash this so I can maybe see if there has some sort of softness to it, but right now it's just really rough. Last but not least, I do have one last item. Now, this was an add-on item. I had some credit. I had like $15 credit, and I used it to buy this, which is a little weird because it was just a $15 add-on to my box. But it says the retail price of this is $125. So it says this delicate necklace and earring set in rose gold plated brass is a must-have for any jewelry lover. Necklace set in rose gold plated brass embellished with a silk-colored stone, coached engraved signature logo at the outer edge, lobster clasp, and adjustable 16 to 18 inches. So here we have the set right here, a pair of earrings and a Coach necklace. And I don't know if you guys can tell, on the necklace it says Coach, which I actually think is really cool. And that was my first add-on that I've ever done. So that is everything that we got in the box. You know, what's really cool is that you do have the option to get a lot of like skincare items. They offer way more skincare than they do makeup. But since I do get subscription boxes every single month and I have a lot of makeup, I wanted to try something just different and not get any skincare or makeup related items. And I'm actually really happy about this box. I think what really excites me is I'm gonna have fun with that game. I'm really eager to try out this gladiator set, try out this jump rope thing. Like, I'm really eager for that. These socks are so freaking comfortable. The necklace is really cute with the earrings. The blanket, we'll make it work. The soap smells amazing. This is just weird, and I will find a way to get a use out of this. But yeah, I definitely think this box is 100% worth it. Like I said, I pay for the yearly membership, so it's like around $197, and this gladiator set alone pays for itself. Like, it literally pays for itself. So this box was definitely well worth it. It's a $533 value, and I just think that's really cool. Fabfitfun has come a long way from when I first started it. When I first started it, you were only allowed to have so many different customizations, and they would pick out stuff for you. So they would like send the same items in almost every single box that like every Fabfitfun member got, and then they started to switch it up. So now you literally have full customization. Like, you were given a list in like different categories to choose from. You're given like 5 items. You had to pick one of the 5 items, one of the 5 items, one of the 5 items. So you're given a decent amount of list, and some things sell out, some things don't. I usually get really early access because I do have the annual membership, and I'm really happy with this month's box. Like, I like when they put cozy things in here. I love having like the cozy stuff, like the candles, the socks, the blankets. They did robes, they did, you know, slippers. They did like a really soft micro plush blanket like 2 years ago. Like, I like that type of stuff. So I'm definitely very happy with this box, hands down. I think it's super cute. I do wish they would have been a little bit more fall related and done more cozy fall stuff. Like, that's just me personally. Like, I feel like that'd be really cool. Like, I hope for winter they do more winter-esque stuff, but that's just my opinion. But yeah, I'm actually really happy with this box. This was so much fun, and I can't wait to see what the next one is. So if you guys have the Fabfitfun box, please let me know down below what you guys picked out for yourself or what you're getting. I'm always excited to see what other people get because everybody has different customizations. So yeah, guys, that is it for today's video, guys. If you guys like this video, please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, because I do post 3 to 4, mostly 5 times a week. Make sure you guys head over to my other channel. It's R for the Life. You guys get to see my cool, wonderful adventures, my amazing husband, Corey. A huge round of applause, and thank you to all these wonderful paid members right here. Thank you guys so much for everything, and to my subscribers and my viewers. Thank you guys so much for clicking this video, whether you guys like this video, you guys thumbs down this video, you guys subscribed, you guys did not subscribe. Either way, just thank you guys so much for everything. Thank you guys so much for putting up with my weirdness, because I'm weird, but I just appreciate you guys nonetheless. So with that said, guys, I love you, and I'll see you guys in the very next video. Bye. Na, 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 na. Alrighty, next we have the two bandits. Hey guys, I always take forever to do this intro. Okay. Hey guys. No. Okay. No. Hey guys, what's up, and welcome back to my channel. That does not sound so cheerful. I need to be cheerful. Pumpkin spice to the rescue. Alrighty, next we have the 2 bandits right here. You know what this? Oh my god. My fall Fabfitfun box. You guys want to see my fall? Camera, stay focused. Oh my gosh. It's so random. Okay, 1, 2, 3. I gotta check on YouTube. But legit, these blankets, you need to get it together, camera. All right, so next we have, ooh, I totally picked myself out these because your girl can never go, your girl. They got it wrong, it's 69, not 68. So this is the ones that me and Corey like to get. Like I said, they're the, oh my god, camera.